Dumpster rental service in Machesney Park, Illinois. A messy project doesn't have to mean a stressful cleanup. At ASAP Dumpsters and Demo, we make it easy to keep things under control with our professional dumpster rental service in Machesney Park, Illinois. Whether you're cleaning out your home, updating your property, or handling construction debris, we've got your back. We offer a wide selection of dumpster sizes, perfect for everything from minor garage cleanouts to significant renovation projects. Our team is here to help you select the best option for your specific job. One of the things our customers love most is how easy we make the rental process. There's no guesswork, no complicated forms, just a simple, straightforward process from pickup to delivery. We value your time, so we always deliver on schedule and promptly pick you up when you're done, no waiting around, no delays. We understand that every project is different, so we tailor our services to match your timeline and needs. Our commitment to quality service has made us a trusted name throughout Machesney Park and beyond. Our customers return repeatedly because they know they can count on us for fair pricing, excellent communication, and professional support. Call us at 779-275-0601 when you're ready to rent a dumpster that arrives on time and does the job. Let's take the stress out of your next cleanup, together.